Of the box. Take this out. They give you the template to be able to cut it out of your dash, which is pretty awesome. Then shipping thing. Then here's the unit itself. It actually looks really, really nice. And then they give you 2 USBs, which is pretty awesome too. Give you a knife to cut everything. This is for the audio video in with the plug. And then it comes with a nav antenna. Right there, there's the plug for that. And then there's a rear view camera plug, I believe. Yep, there's the rear view camera. Either that or it's for the DVR, I'm guessing, or rear view camera, I'm guessing, I don't know. We'll find out when we put it in. Here is the T-harness, which is pretty extravagant. Basically plugs in, gives you the extra harness to plug in the factory unit. And then here's the bracket. We'll look how it looks whenever we start putting it all together. Alright, here's our dash before. That way you can kind of see what it's going to look like before. What it'll look like after. Moved the aftermarket Sony, heater controls, dash kit, Avin USA fiber optic piece. The only thing that we have in here is a bunch of wires. I got a USB, it's a mess in there, we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna remove this trim panel piece right here so that way we can get behind here to be able to mount the unit to the top. Piece is out. We can get ready to mount the unit in. Piece back in, nothing's hooked up, but I just put it back in to be able to get my measurements off of here. This is really difficult to stick to the dash, so I'm gonna have to hold it down and cut it while I do it. Just know the knife will not cut through this hard plastic. This is hard plastic, it cuts through the foam, but it will not cut through the hard plastic. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out to cut through that because that knife they supplied is not gonna make it. Just wanna give you an update. This is what I cut out of there. Probably about an 1/8 inch thick of really hard ABS plastic. You will never cut through that with a razor blade. Never cut through that with that knife they gave you. I had to use a spiral saw to cut that out, and it struggled every minute of it to get it out. So that's the way I got that out, just to let you guys know. Mounted this bracket, used a micro precision screwdriver, tightened down all 3 of these on one side, these 3 on the other side. You have to use a micro precision screwdriver so that way, because they're very, very, very small Phillips heads, and we're gonna go ahead and mount it up into this dash. All right, we finally got this thing mounted in. I've been out here for an hour and a half, drumming and drumming and drumming to get it to fit just this good and mount up this good. It mounts clear way back up in there. If you can see this screw right there, that screw is what holds it in. I do not have another screw on this side because my car did not come with one, but I'm gonna try to make some better ways of mounting this thing in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this dash piece back on and show you what it looks like. My mess, but this is what the unit looks like. Really, really, really good quality. I'll make another one for a tutorial about how to use it, but the quality of the screen is absolutely amazing. Don't mind my mess down here because I gotta go through all this, but this is what it looks like installed. Very, very good quality on the screen. This piece is a nightmare to get put in, so just want to let you guys know on that. I'll show some more once we get some more going with it. One more video. The final product, still not 100% complete, but the quality of the screen is really, really, really nice. More videos coming soon.